My name's Dale Hawkins, and I joined the Guard back in '86. My wife and I met in '89 and wanted to get married. So I went active duty back in '89, spent 4.5 years over at Fort Campbell, was a part of Desert Shield, Desert Storm. From there I went over to Europe. It's at Mannheim Barracks, Coleman Barracks in Mannheim, Germany. Got caught up part of the European downsizing and went to Fort Lewis, Washington, where our first son was born, and that's where I got out of the service at. I was a wheel mechanic and followed that on into civilian life and retired medically through the VA at 33 years of a wheel mechanic. Troy just checked my system, and it's somewhere between 20 and 21 years of age. It has been failing a little bit over the last 10, 12 years since we've lived here, and just cannot believe when I got the phone call to show up, just because I was in one of the final two contestants, and winning this is just phenomenal. I mean, it's just it's a true blessing to my wife and I. I'm on a fixed income as a disabled vet. We're still blessed that she's able to work, but this is just something that there's no way we could have done before the system completely dropped on us at the minimum. Getting this new system is going to really be amazing. We keep our grandchildren as much as possible, and right now in the hot part of Kentucky, trying to do gardening and stuff, we just cannot cool our kitchen whatsoever. So there's fans going everything under the sun, and this is just going to be an absolute blessing. That we just praise the Lord that we were able to get this. If you get a chance to be involved with these guys, give them a call. I mean, they're just phenomenal folks to work with. And they will definitely be on our good friends and neighbors list from here on out. And I've got a stack of business cards in the truck that I'm giving out to everybody I come across. My name is Dale Hawkins, Sergeant E5 in the U.S. Army, and I stationed at Fort Campbell with the 101. And it is absolutely cool to be a vet, and it is cool to be a part of the Fayette Heating Cooling family.